Ladies and gentlemen, we're here today over at U of M Dearborn for the Doble Classic Tune Up match. The actual Doble Classic tournament is going to be in a couple weeks over in Watford, but right now we're in U of M Dearborn for the warm-up for that tournament. Teams coming from all around. There's teams here from Indiana, Toledo, of course all over Michigan. Different levels, about 30 to 40 teams here, maybe just over 40 teams. Excellent play. Let's get to the action. Let's interview a few players, and let's enjoy the day. All right, we're here at the Doble, and I'm here with
Stephanie Wolf.
Linnea Harris.
Okay, they just finished playing. There's other teams still playing right now that are in the semifinals and the final matches. So you guys did really well today. Well, first of all, where do you guys come from?
I'm from Woodhaven, Michigan.
Ypsilanti, Michigan.
Okay, Ypsilanti, Michigan. Now, I understand that you kind of have a home around here.
Yeah, these are my stomping grounds here at U of M Dearborn. I played my 4 years of college basketball and volleyball here.
Nice, nice. Now, how did you do today?
We did all right. It was our first time playing together as a team, and we played really well in pool play and came out second, and then we lost quarters for playoffs. So could have done a lot better in that game or that match.
Did you do something differently in the playoffs than you did in pool play?
No, I think just the sitting, we weren't fine-tuned, didn't come together. We didn't have that fresh energy that we needed.
One of those teams where if we sit too long, it's really hard for us to get going. So,
absolutely, absolutely. So what it would be? This is a precursor for the big tournament.
Yeah.
This is the Doble Classic Tune-Up match. So is this the same team that you're going to bring to the Doble coming up in 2 weeks?
It's very similar. We have a few others that are joining us. We have an All-American libero, which should be very nice to have, and an All-American middle.
Yeah, and we're just going to be, I think, a little more focused and ready for that one. It's a big deal.
Nice. Now, some teams come with costumes and uniforms. Are you doing the same thing, or?
I don't think we're going to do that. We may come in something like bright colors or something with a nice thing, but I don't think we'll be doing the costume thing.
We do like bright colors.
Yeah.
Hey, who knows? We've got some time. We might
Got
surprise
some tricks
you.
up our sleeves, you know.
Now, the rest of your team, where are they coming from? Are they all from this area also, or are they coming from out of state? Because I know that there's going to be other out-of-state players. Some of the Michigan teams are bringing out-of-state players on their team. Are your All-Americans coming from other states?
They are. There's two of our girls. I'm not sure where they're coming from. I think Ohio. But we've got two coming in from a different state.
Yep.
So, I mean, you did really well here. You made it all the way to the semifinals, I think. Now, the Doble Classic itself, today we had about 35, 40 teams. The Doble is going to bring 75 teams. So, are you nervous at all about the out-of-state teams because you haven't really seen the competition, or are you guys relaxed? Are you confident enough that it doesn't really matter?
A little bit of both.
I think we're nervous a little bit. Like you said, when you don't know the teams that are coming, you don't know what to expect. So, but at the same time, we've got our confidence. We've been playing this game for a long time, and we're ready. We're ready. I think, and if you don't have nerves, I think something is wrong.
Yeah.
I think so.
The butterflies get you going.
Yeah.
So what position do you play, Steph?
That's a great question. Today I played middle. Sometimes I libero, sometimes I set. I'm kind of just a utility player, jack of all trades, master of none.
And how about you, Lena?
I'm an outside hitter.
Nice, okay. Now, so the Doble's coming up. There's teams coming from other states. How many times have you guys played in the Classic itself? Have you played in the Doble Classic before?
Yep, this will be my third one, so I'm pretty excited.
And this will be my second time playing it. And I know the first year we won it, and that was exciting. So that's kind of motivation for myself personally.
And both the years that you guys have played it, it's always been here. So we're going to try the new venue. Have you guys been to the new venue yet?
I have not. This is a lot closer to my house, but I hear the gym's going to, all those teams, it's going to be very cool under one roof.
Yeah, it will be nice. You said 75 teams coming, so just to kind of sit back and play and watch everything that's going on, it's an experience in itself.
All right, well, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
All right, we'll talk to you guys again soon, and we'll definitely see you at the Classic. We'll be there. Be there, then maybe you can be one of the commentators with me.
Yes.
Okay.
Sounds good.
That sounds awesome.
Maybe you'll get some footage of our games too.
Yeah, I know. I got here late, so I didn't get very many of the women's teams. I'm sorry.
We forgive
All right.
you.
This time.
All right, thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Peace out. All right, guys, we're all here right now with Team.
Team Canada, man.
Nice. Where parts in what part of Canada you guys from?
Southern Ontario.
We're coming from Windsor and Toronto.
Toronto, yeah.
All right, so you guys just finished a great game. That was an amazing game, great kills. Unfortunately, you guys are not going on to the finals. So, what do you think you have to do next time you guys come around? Because you guys coming back for
have a libero and not make your team 3 days before you come to the tournament.
Yeah. Prepare. We didn't prepare.
Yeah.
We're all friends. We just threw together a team in 3 days, and we came up here and played with 6 of us with absolutely almost no defense.
Yeah.
So
pocket full of Canadian money, and that's it.
Canadian money, that's it, man. But yeah. That's it.
Well, in 2 weeks that tournament, you guys can't really do that. So, what are you gonna do different? What are you gonna do from then to then?
We're gonna win.
Yeah, we're gonna win. Well, we're missing 5 players right now.
We're missing 5 players. That's good. Yeah. So this will be. This is the tune-up.
That's all it is.
Yeah,
We're being polite and letting them advance.
Yeah, man. That's it, right? So we're just going to prepare. We have some guys to fill the positions that we were missing this weekend. But none of us came here to win. We came here to play good ball and have a good time, and that's exactly what we did.
Now, have you guys played in the Doble before? Is this your first time? No, not the tournament, but have you ever played the Classic?
We played the Doble.
Yeah, we played the Doble before.
First time for a few of us.
Okay. Wow, the Doble Classic itself, as you know, there's going to be teams from all over the place. From Indiana, from Chicago, so is that going to change your outlook for the game or for the match?
It doesn't matter to us who's on the other side of the net. Volleyball comes down to our side of the net, and if we play the way that we play, it doesn't matter who's on the other side. We're going to come out the way we want.
Nice. So, you have more players coming in for the Classic itself?
Yeah, a couple substitutions.
A little bit of defense.
A couple more big boys coming in.
A couple guys bigger than all of us, and a couple of defensive players. So yeah.
We're missing pieces.
Nice, outstanding. Well, thank you very much. We'll see you guys in a few weeks. Good luck then. Hit them
We're gonna
hard.
give a shout out to our religious boys, our Redeemer. And this guy, OUA stud, coming out of the closet for the first, after 4 years of retirement, played Unreal.
You haven't played any volleyball for 4 years.
D. Quinn, unbelievable hands. So
national winning setter in Canada, college volleyball national winning setter right here.
Nice.
One way there.
Nice. Great job.
It was a big help, absolutely.
Okay, cool. Well, I can't wait to see you guys in a couple weeks. Can't wait to see you then. I know you guys gonna be in the finals next time, right?
Absolutely. Cheers, man. Thank you.
All right, thanks.